Perception is the process through which we interpret and make sense of sensory information. It is highly subjective, influenced by our individual experiences, beliefs, emotions, and biases. Perception shapes the way we see the world and affects our interactions with others. It is not always aligned with reality, which is the actual state of things as they exist, independent of our interpretations. Reality? Reality refers to the objective truth of a situation, the facts that exist regardless of how anyone perceives them. In communication, reality is the actual content and intent of a message as sent by the speaker or writer. Understanding the difference between perception and reality is crucial because it helps identify potential miscommunications and misunderstandings. How it works in communication. In communication, the sender's message is influenced by their own perceptions and is then interpreted by the receiver through their own perceptions. This process can lead to misunderstandings if the sender's intended message does not align with the receiver's interpretation. Example 1. Colleague interaction. Imagine two colleagues, Jane and John. Jane sends John an email saying, "Can we talk about your report this afternoon?" Jane's reality. Jane simply wants to discuss some points in John's report to understand it better. John's perception. John, feeling anxious about his work, perceives Jane's message as criticism and thinks, "She must have found something wrong with my report." Here, Jane's reality, a simple request, is different from John's perception, a critique. This misalignment can cause unnecessary stress or conflict. Example 2. Meeting request. Alex schedules a meeting with their team and writes, "Let's meet tomorrow to review our project progress." Alex's reality. Alex intends to have a productive discussion to ensure everyone is on the same page. Team member's perception. A team member who feels insecure about their performance might think, "Alex is unhappy with our work and wants to point out mistakes." In this case, the team's perception of the meeting's purpose differs from Alex's reality, potentially leading to anxiety among team members. Example 3. Feedback conversation. Sarah receives feedback from her boss that says, "Your presentation needs more detailed analysis." Boss's reality. The boss wants to help Sarah improve by suggesting specific areas for enhancement. Sarah's perception. Sarah might perceive this feedback as harsh criticism, thinking, "My presentation was terrible." Sarah's perception of the feedback can lead to feelings of inadequacy, even though the boss's reality is constructive criticism aimed at helping her grow.